as they say in Australia, g'day mate. Yeah, this is the oh, just fooling around. The easiest way I find of doing a toilet like this is you do one side and work away from your door so you flush with the aluminium. I'll show you in a sec. Just let me get this glue down. Cool. Okay, so where's my cut tile? There it is. So you always get it right at the aluminium and then you work in. As I said before, I've halved this toilet. Everything works out nicely with the cut around that wall and that wall. Everything works out lovely because they're eventually going to tile the rest of the lounge and all that. I'll just lift that just a 1/2 millimeter. Wipe your finger on your shorts, that's why you wear shorts. Wipe the glue on your shorts. And then my last one, I'll cut that to length and also cut out for the toilet pipe. It's a pretty similar tile to what I've just where I've just come from, and it looks really cool with the misty grey grout, light grey. Beautiful. It sort of looks a bit like sandstone. Lovely, tell your mum. Just clip it together. Every time you clip up, you got that. Beautiful. I need my rubber hammer. I'll get it in a minute. Right, so I felt my edge and I know that my tile needs to go around like that. So I'm wanting to cut that edge because that edge goes against the wall. So you have it around like that. Hold it against the wall. And whammo, that's it. I'll cut it first and then I'll mark the toilet. Might rain soon. I need to oil up my bar. Move that so I don't trip over it in a minute. I think they're putting back the old toilet, so it's not one that goes completely against the wall. So we've got to leave a bit at the back. So if we do that, come away a bit. Go about there. So that's what I cut out. Like that. Okay, and I'll pop this in and I'll see you soon.